We are constantly on the lookout for things that inspire us, but we are usually looking in the wrong places because we have to touch what really inspires us. Only then can it touch us. And we can only find these things here, in reality. It is the things that we can feel, the things that spread knowledge and open worlds, the things that bring us together, move us forward, and keep us moving. We have made it our mission to create these things, because at Heidelberg, we help turn ideas into things you can touch. And we want them to be as perfect as possible. That's why it took our company founder 3 attempts until he could cast the huge Kaiserglocke for the Cologne Dome in 1878. Speaking of huge, this movie only lasts 2 minutes. In that time, a Heidelberg prints around 14,000 packets of fries for a global fast food giant, or 700 premium shopping bags, or 31,500 perfume boxes. Everywhere there are people who want their ideas to become reality in this way. That's why we are right there, everywhere. Because if you want to help create things that fascinate us, you have to get involved and on site. We've been doing this since 1850 with innovative strength, engineering skills, the highest quality standards, and Joachim, and Anja, and Huyen, and the other people who make the difference at Heidelberg and who, together with their customers, turn pixels into print, data into printed sheets, and ideas into things you can touch, and therefore really touch us. Because we are Heidelberg, the home of print for 175 years.